It can be hard to try and find a job, and sometimes you can be so excited to receive a job offer that you just want to accept it right away. Unfortunately, not all job offers come from the legitimate employers, and some of them can actually be from fraudsters trying to steal your money or personal information. In the following videos, we will teach you the steps you can take to avoid falling prey to scammers and conduct a safe job search. As much as you might be excited to be approached with an employment offer, always keep the following in mind when communicating with a potential employer. When communicating with an employer, never provide information such as your social insurance number, your photograph, your family background, or work availability as the part of job application. If you provide your personal information to employers you have not confirmed are legitimate, you may be putting yourself at a risk of identity theft. Be very careful when you receive interview requests from employers you didn't apply to. These interview offers often are a deceptive front, and attending one carelessly can put you in a physical danger. In addition to your personal information, also remember never share your banking, credit card, debit card, or any other financial information at any point during the job search or job application process. Doing so potentially gives fraudsters the access to your finances and puts your money in jeopardy.